if you're like me and you want wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in your car, but you don't want no cables and dongles and stuff like that hanging around everywhere, then this is the device for you. This is a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto dongle, which is super small and compact. It's none of those big clunky ones with wires hanging everywhere. And with this, you just simply plug it into your device. It's plug and play, and you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So stay tuned. We're going to check it out, unbox it, and see how easy it is to use and set up, and see if it is actually any good or not. So here we have the Binize wireless CarPlay for Android Auto and CarPlay adapter for all vehicles that have factory wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's go ahead and straight with the unboxing. So we've got different colors here. We've got white, blue black, silver black and black. We've got the black version over here, and we've got the 2-in-1, so it does CarPlay and Android Auto at the same time. And we've got the specification on the back of it: interface USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 5.8G connection type for wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto. You just plug it into the USB port. It's easy as that. So it's a really cool device. It is a 2-in-1 wireless adapter, so you can upgrade your wired CarPlay into wireless, wired Android Auto and CarPlay into a wireless system in just a few seconds. So here we have the actual device itself with the instruction manual and a USB dongle. So if you have a wired CarPlay that's USB Type-C, you just plug this dongle in and plug in your CarPlay device just there like that as well. And you can also plug it into a power outlet as well. If you need to just update the firmware or software on this or do resets or anything like that, you can just plug it straight into a wall plug like so. So it is plug and play. You just plug it straight in and pair it. You don't need any apps, you don't need to download anything. It's so easy. Plug it straight into your car and it works straight away. It's got a super good stable connection, so it's fast and lag free, and the performance is automatic reconnection. So as soon as you leave the car, you can head back in and it connects automatically. Super easy. And it's got this really nice compact design as well, literally the size of my thumb, so it is thumb sized. There's no clutter, no wires, no super long dongles hanging around. Fits into any of the USB ports, and also a really short wire if you need to put in a USB-C port as well. It's got worldwide compatibility, so it works with 98% of factory wired CarPlay cars, and it also supports iOS and Android, of course, because it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we're going to go ahead and plug into my car, which is a DS3 Crossback, and we're going to see how well it works and how good it is and how you can connect to it and set it up, because it is super easy and super simple to use. So let's go ahead and go straight to the car and set it up. So it's very simple and very easy to set up and connect. All you have to do is just plug in your device into your USB port, which you normally use the cable for to connect to the car. And then once it's booted up, you want to go ahead into the CarPlay settings and then go get your phone. Well, as you can see here, the blue light starts flashing, so it's ready to connect. You can go on the CarPlay function over here, click OK, and you can see on the settings over here, if I just drop the focus down over here, it says, before using the equipment, please cancel the pairing between the mobile phone and the original vehicle screen Bluetooth, and you can do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So you just want to go ahead and go on to the settings, Bluetooth settings on your device. So we're going to use iPhone. Here it is, the AI box BTBE92. Just go ahead and click on that, and it will start pairing to the device. There you go. So it's now paired up. You can go connect to CarPlay and just hit connect on your iPhone screen, and then it will come up straight away on the actual vehicle side as well. Here we have Apple CarPlay fully working as it should. It's easy as that, simple as that, and it's the same with Android Auto, the exact same way to pair it up. So currently I am using this device over here, which I did actually review previously on my channel, but I'm currently using this to create the wireless CarPlay. Now this is a great device as well, and it does work, but we can now use this tiny little device instead. So this whole big unit here has just been completely replaced with a tiny little USB dongle here. I have got Apple CarPlay, and you can also use Android Auto the exact same way as well. Easy as that, simple as that, and it is super smooth, super responsive, and it's really good. So of course it's the exact same normal layout as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's going to be the exact same usual layout that you're used to, same settings, same usability, and it's really simple and really easy to use. You can play your music directly through here on YouTube Music or Spotify or whatever you are using. You can play it directly through here. You can see here, got my last viewed songs. I can go straight to Spotify on here and have a look at my Spotify playlist and see whatever songs I want to play through here as well. Really nice, really easy. I can call people from here. It's just so much more convenient than having loads of cables around. And it's also, look how tidy it is. It's just a tiny little dongle that just sits there, super clean, super neat, nothing hanging around, nothing in the way. It's just a lot more nicer and sleek. So yeah, it is a really, really good product. It's super easy to connect and it's seamless as hell. You can see how it just straight away connected. It powered up, came up on the screen, connect by Bluetooth. And easy as that, you're good to go. To use it though, you got to make sure you disconnect your actual phone from the car's Bluetooth, so that you can pair to this only, and it works like a charm. And it is super responsive, super good, no issues. I've used it. I've gone with the navigation. I've driven with it and not had any issues at all. It works absolutely fine, not cut out. Sound quality works great. Yeah, this is a really, really good product, and for the size it comes in is insane. I mean, like I said, most CarPlay wireless products are about this size. They're normally like this, a little cable and a box that you got to place somewhere, whereas this is so discreet. It's just a tiny little USB port, like it's basically just a USB port, and you just put it in there, and tiny little USB dongle plug, easy as that, and it works like a charm. Super, super easy, super simple to do. Don't even need the instructions. But it's great that it does come with the instructions, and the USB dongle here is to create updates or anything like that. If you need to update the device, if you have any issues or you need to do any troubleshooting, that's what the USB is for, the USB cable. Otherwise it's all good to go. I'm going to have to give it an overall score of 10 out of 10. It is a fantastic product. It works absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It does exactly what it's meant to do out the box, and it's super easy and super simple to use. So if you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down below in the description. If I have any coupon codes, I'll also list that down below in the description as well. And as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.